4 medium-sized boiled and mashed potato. A half teaspoon red chili powder. A half teaspoon black pepper powder. Salt as per taste. 2 tablespoon corn flour. 2 tablespoon Maida. Ginger garlic paste. Mix well. Can add corn flour and Maida for better binding. Fry on medium to high flame.
Subscribe.
1 cup curd. A half teaspoon red chili powder. A half teaspoon turmeric powder. A 1/4 teaspoon black pepper powder. Salt as per taste. 2 teaspoon corn flour.
Subscribe.
Add 4 to 5 garlic cloves. Two red chili. Curry leaf. 2 green chili. 1 medium-sized onion chopped. Some salt. Now add prepared mixture. Now fried potato.
Subscribe.
Some hara dhanaya.
Subscribe. Like, comment, share.